Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is Friday, end of the week. Just had a USDA report yesterday. USDA raising corn yields quite a bit more than what the trade had anticipated, pushing carryout to just a massive, massive number. And yet corn did drop back yesterday. It is unchanged overnight. Very quiet market overnight, but do we get some follow through here today? And so when you look at that, you say, where should we be? Well, that number is pretty big. Whether or not the trade is going to start looking at it as something else, we'll see. The funds are already short corn quite a bit. Do they increase this position more than 200,000 short at the levels that we're currently at, or do we see some change as we go toward the end of the year? Beans, they did end up dropping carry out for beans. We did see just a slight reduction out of the bean number, but yields remaining the same. And as we move forward, though, for beans and some of the other focus that we get as harvest starts wrapping up will be South America and what kind of weather we're seeing from them as we move forward. A lot of this El Nino talk, will this start to build, or will we see some premium put in this market? Beans are up just a few cents overnight. Nothing, no new sales or cancellations announced this morning at 8 o'clock, so not a lot of new or news for us to really grab onto. We'll see if this we still continue to try to digest this report as we move forward. Some of the other markets, as far as livestock, a lot of back and forth trade yet out of cash and cattle. Will we see? We've seen this pullback that we've had. Do we see a stronger cash move here this week? Boxes still remain pretty strong. Hogs, we did see a little setback here yesterday too, but overall, still holding some good support levels yet. But if we start taking out these the lows and we push to new weekly lows, these hogs right now may end up seeing more of a seasonal sell-off that we typically get for this time of year. So we'll see as we move forward. Stock market down a little bit, giving back some of the gains that we've seen, but the dollar sharply lower yesterday, trying to find a little bit of strength here today, but we'll see how we end up today. Give us a call if you have any questions. We are here to help you out, 800-262-7538, or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you next week. Take care.